Hello and welcome back to Spoken Essays. I'm Harshal Vora and you're watching the live video where I figure out how to code. Now, there was another previous live video where I was reading the book, and I think I wasn't very much into it in that live. So instead, I'm going to keep myself busy by going live and code whatever the next step is for the project. So give me a few seconds and I'll start everything right up. Okay. That is so good. Okay, guys, better, much better. So let me begin now. Okay. Let me also share my screen with you. I think I'm already logged on to this. Interesting. Sounds good. Okay. Now I'm live. Let me share my screen with you. Yes. Nice. Okay. That is so much better. Okay. Right. Now the last thing we finished yesterday was this salon appointment scheduler. This did not take more than some maybe 2 sessions really. Now I'll begin with the next part of the curriculum in relational database, which is we finished this. Apparently now bike rental shop is fulfilled. Wow. Okay. I did not know that. You know what? I'll try again finishing that kitty ipsum. I've already finished it. Maybe now I can finally put it to rest after a few days time, perhaps. And while that thing is loading, the next thing we're going to learn is nano. So this is what I'm going to learn today, start learning today. It is a 40 lesson course, not much longer than maybe an hour or so. So yeah, let's see what this takes us, where it takes us. Nano is a text editor program, just like Emacs. We have Emacs, then we have, I forgot the other name, Nano, Emacs and Vim. Yeah, Vim and Emacs. There's a worldwide debate whether Emacs is better or Vim is better. I don't know about any of them, so I'm no one to judge. I have no idea what Nano is either. I mean, I have the only thing I know of Nano. I do not know about Nano, so I'm not going to judge anything about that. But yeah, this is what we will be learning. Now I'll wait for this to load, the server to load, and maybe I can have some tea while this thing starts. It's raining right now, by the way, so enjoy some rain. I don't think you'll be able to hear the rain anyway, so I'll just leave it. Interesting. Have you? Nope. This will take some time apparently. I can wait for it. I don't mind. In the background, this is going on. I don't care. Okay. Let's just wait for this to take care of itself. In the meanwhile, I will look into a few more things. Yeah, give me a second please while this loads. Yep. Uh, I mean, by yep, I mean nope. This opened the web page, the thing, whatever this is, in a. Uh, it opened that in a dark mode, light mode, not dark mode. And I have explained why that is. That feels weird. Let's open the previous project. Yeah. Now code road should load in a few seconds. Yeah. Again, no dark mode, so problems. Okay. I'll be silent and try to finish this. If my problem statements don't get solved, then I'll ignore it. Show the diff. What am I to write? I'm supposed to write this. By the way, there are remote branches. Interesting. Huh. What's happening here? Oh, there are multiple problems. Anyway, use the flag. Oh, now if I run this, okay. What is the suggested command? Okay. Diff color kitty ipsum 1.text doggy ipsum 2.1.text. Yep. Okay, it still says. Let's check that again. Color diff color kitty ipsum 1.text space doggy ipsum 1.text. Yes. Run. Nope. Okay, I'm going to ignore this thing. Bye. We'll start learning Nano. It's a 40 lesson course, so shouldn't take much time. Someone wrote this song before, and I could tell you where it's from. The 47362 put to bed my mind at ease. Please just have a laugh with me, 'cause you know that I'm borrowing right now these sounds that were already found. Nice. Come on, it's a silly dream, dreaming of the imagery I found. The view sits nice from the ground. Alright, also a split terminal, one to log on to PSQL. Just in case, I think we'll only learn Nano and not SQL. By building a castle, maybe not. Okay. Use touch to create castle.sh. Wait a minute. Can I give it executable permissions automatically? Command touch. Change only the access time, no create. Do not create any files. Date. Ignored, no reference. Change only reference, stamp, time, version, fine. Nope, we can't do it here. Execute permission. How to set permission with touch command. umask. Okay. We can manipulate it with umask. I don't know what umask is. So single command to create a file and set its permission. For bash use, simply change mode. Fine. Quit. Man touch what? No, not man touch. Touch castle.sh. 4% done. Yeah, because it's only 40 steps. Use the ls command to make sure your file is there. Yes, it is. There it is. Nano is a program for editing files that runs in the terminal. You can open a file with nano file name. So open a file you created with nano. So castle.sh. Next, the terminal is showing your file in nano at the bottom. You know what, I'll also go full screen, by the way. Yeah. To get a better view of this, at the bottom are the commands you can use. Your file is empty right now. Add echo hello nano at the top. Echo hello nano at the top, and press Ctrl O to write out or save the file. You will be prompted at the bottom for a file name. Leave it. Okay, so Ctrl O. Let's go one by one. Ctrl O, and what do I write? Leave it. Leave it as castle.sh and press enter to save the file. Done. The file was saved, but we did not exit nano. Exit nano by pressing Ctrl X. Now we've exited nano. Very good. This will be a small bash script. You can run it with bash file name. Okay. Run your castle.sh file in the terminal. So /castle.sh. Use bash to run. I did. I think also need to give it permissions. Change mode +X castle.sh, and now we can run it. What do you mean? Oh, okay. Bash castle.sh. Nice. That's what I was supposed to do. My bad. Ouch. Someone wrote this song before, and I can tell you where it's from. The 47365 put to bed my mind at ease. Please just have a laugh with me, 'cause you know I'm borrowing right now these sounds that were already found. Give me a second, please. I like singing that song. I'll play it in the background. Homage. That song is called Homage. Someone wrote this song before, and I could tell you that it's fine. 73625, put to bed my mind. Please just okay. That is clever. Okay, you can see the command in your file ran and output text to the terminal. Open your file again with nano. So nano, I think I'll use that command again. Nano castle.sh. Done. You can cut text with Ctrl K. Move the cursor to the line with your text. And remove the whole line. What about alt back? Nope. Okay. Right. When you're done, save the file. Yep, that's exactly what I was supposed to do. We're going to draw a castle that you can print to the terminal. Add echo. Okay. put an empty line between the two quotes like this. Nice. That is clever. Give me a second, please. Please just have a laugh at me, 'cause you know how I'm borrowing right now. You will draw the castle between the quotes, okay? At ground level by putting 20 underscores in the row between the quotes. 20. Okay, it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Save. Done. Next, the carrot. The caret in front of all the commands. Yeah, this is what they mean. I'll turn off the overlays for you guys. Oh, there are double overlays. Ouch. Yeah, sorry about that. I'll turn off the overlays for you, not the anchor, my bad, so that you guys can see what I'm editing live. Oh, interesting. Achha. Okay. Okay, so the caret in front of all the commands at the bottom means to press Control. Yep, exactly. For any Mac users, they would know that we can use the control button has an arrow, an icon above it that will tell you. So that's what you're supposed to click, press. That's the button you're supposed to press. For Windows users, people who are not used to the control button, you guys will understand that this arrow is for the control button. Okay, the caret in front of all the commands at the bottom means to press Control at the letter to run the command. Exit nano with the exit command. So let's read the exit command. The exit command looks like this. Very good. So Control X, and we exited that. Cool. Use the bash command to run your castle.sh file in the terminal again. Now we have this line. Yeah, looks like it's working. Open your file with nano. Cool. Nano's open. Add a vertical pipe or pipe at the end of. Okay, a pipe here and here, right? It should look like this. Nice. Save the file. We have to save the file. To save the file, I press Control O and enter. So now the file is saved. The Control O command is also known as write out for nano. Okay, add another story to your castle above the ground level that has 2 more vertical bars. Very good. Very well. I'll press enter here. 1 pipe here. It should look like this. Now I don't know how to move over there. I'll press space 20 times. And that space became green. Oh. Okay. Write out, save, exit nano, to exit Control X. This is getting interesting. I'll move the camera a little bit. Right. Can't you see? Interesting. Give me a second. I'm adjusting my keyboard. Right. Run your file again to see the progress. Nice. Open your file again so you can add some more. Yeah, sure. You can use control. I'll resize this. Okay, you can use Control K to cut and Control U to uncut. Or paste a line. Add 5 more rows like this. Okay. One you just added to make your parcel look stick so is high. Okay. Give me a second. Apparently this. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Now we can start. We can continue. Add 5 more rows like this one you added. Try to use cut and paste method. Sure. You can use Control K to cut and Control U to uncut. Or paste the line. So K and U. Okay. How do I select a line? Select everything. What about copy? I need to copy, not cut. What is the copy command? Control K. Interesting. Anyway, I'll add what? How many is it? 3 more. Oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater. Oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater. Yep, we pass. 48% done. Wow. The existing topper is going to be the roof of the castle. Make it look like this. A pipe, space, pipe. Okay, there's 2 spaces between the first and the second bars. Thank you. Followed by 14 underscores. Then a repeat of. Yeah, got it. Okay. So pipe, 2 spaces, pipe, underscore 14, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can understand this. 2 spaces here, a pipe here. Oh, interesting. Nice. She's a man-eater. I made a mistake somewhere. There's 2 spaces, 1 and 2. Yes. And these should be 14 underscores. Then repeat of the bars and the spaces. Yeah. What is that? 1 and 2 space. Then third is the pipe. Then underscores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I made 2 more. Interesting. I'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Yeah, this is correct. Your castle should be drawn correctly. There's 2 spaces between the first and the second bars. Yes. Followed by 4 and the repeat of bar and spaces. When you're done, I'm saying, come on. Is this what's causing the problem, perhaps? Oh no, the file was deleted. The file doesn't exist. Interesting. How about now? File on disk has changed. File was modified. Continue saving. Yes. I'm going to exit this. First save. Exit. Nano Castle. It looks like this. Yes. This is what I want it to look like. Okay. I'll exit and reset this file. Now it looks like this. Cool. Enter the existing top row. Ooh. I think they meant here. 2 spaces and a pipe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is not enough. One and 2. I think I should pass now. Nice. Nice. The M at the beginning of all other commands. I don't see any M's. The M at the beginning of all other commands at the bottom stands for meta. I think they mean this, yeah. So meta commands. It's a key that doesn't exist on most keyboards if you're on OS X. I think OS X is Apple. Yep. If I am on OS X, I am on OS X. It means press escape, then the letter. So escape E. Okay. If you're on another system, press Alt, then the letter. Okay. Use the exit command to get back to the terminal. Exit. Wait, what am I to do again? If you are on, okay. Use the exit command. But it's what? I think it's only expositional. Never mind. And I think this file got deleted again. And somehow I still passed. Why does the script file not exist here? ls, please. Oh, it does exist. So I'm just not being able to see the files. Weird stuff happens all the time. By the way, these git changes are not being sent, so I don't know what is up with that. Okay, run the script to make sure. Okay, let's run the script. Okay, bash, very good. That construction team must be working hard. Open the file again to continue building. This must be the easiest challenge of them all. Nano. The top of the castle has a lookout tower on each end. Add a single row at the top of the castle to make the top look like this. Okay. We know these are forward slash and backward slash. So a forward slash here, space, space, backward slash. Then I'll go here. Oh, I don't even need to do that, right? I don't need to press space to move. I can go anywhere. Anyway, save the file and go to the next step. Add the peaks of your lookout towers. Yeah, gladly. Oh, I need a space apparently. Nice. Put another row at the top with, yeah, it should look like this. Thank you. Okay, save, done. 62% are done. Go back to the terminal with the exit command. Can you guys hear me? I wouldn't know. Heat waves been flicking me out. I'll make you happier now. I'm going to try something. I'll be back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you? That's going to be interesting. Nope, you guys can't. Very nice. That's the way to do it. Huh. Okay. Anyway, I will continue with this. Good. Go back to the terminal with exit command. Gladly. Next. Run your script to bask in the glory of your work. Oh no, it looks bad. Oh no, it looks like a storm came through and through and blew the roof off. I think we can fix it. Open up the file. Yeah. I'm not quite sure what happened there. Some of the backward slash don't seem to be working. Backward slashes. Try adding a space after the two backward slashes on the top right lookout tower. Put them where the X's are. What? Let's read that again. Try adding a space after the two. So am I supposed to move the both of them? After the two backward slashes. A space after. They meant after. So one space here and one space here. Yes, that's where I was supposed to put spaces. Okay, very good. Go back to the terminal so you can run the script again. Gladly. I ran the script and now it looks like nice. We have our own castle. Run the script to see. I did. Next. Okay, it's all patched up. Open the file again. Good. Add some windows to the castle. Use left and right brackets for them. Yeah. Put 3 pairs in the 4th story like this. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 here. There's 4 spaces between each window and 3 between the window and the side. So 1, 2 and 3. This. Then 4 spaces. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. A window again. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. And delete. Nice. Lightning and the thunder. This does not look like it was correctly spaced. Cancel. I can't move this way apparently. 1 and 2. Now it looks much better. Let me remove a space from the end. Nice. Commando enter. Nice. Last is the door. Yeah. Change the bottom 2 rows. So last 2 rows, bottom 2 rows. So there's a door right in the middle that looks like this. 2 vertical bars with 2 spaces between them. Okay. Let's read this again. The bottom row has 2 vertical bars. I see how it is. Bro, you are listening to the music. Okay. sorry about that. The bottom row has two vertical bars. I suppose we have 14, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, can I make the door anywhere? No, probably not. So we have 17 and 2 between, so I should go at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, that's bad. That's incorrect math. 6. Aren't they 14 spaces? If I half them, it would take me to the 7th place. Yeah, which is here. I think this is right. Perhaps. So 2 spaces between them. So we have, oh, is that right? We have 1 and 2 space between them, and 1 underscore here, another here. Delete. Good. I think yes. Nice. Nano has a lot more features. No, what is going on? Interesting. कुछ ऐसे सपने जैसे नैनो से अपने नैनो हाँ हाँ ये समा है दीदार का किसी के इंतजार का. Anyway, I got lost. Nano has a lot more features, but the basics will get you through most scenarios. Of course it does. Go back to the terminal with the exit command, with the command to exit Nano. So exited. Nice. I think I'm almost done. Run your script again. Nice. Hopefully the weather has been good. Nice. Excellent. Open the file. I think there's one more thing you can add. Gladly. What is it? At the very top of the file, add another echo command. Here, echo with 2 quotes and an empty line between the quotes. Welcome to my castle. मैंने तो समझी ये song. God, this song. People knew melancholia then. Just a second. I just appreciate this song too much. Yes, Go back to the terminal. Yeah. Exit. Done. By the way, the file still exists. Very good. This is the last script. Last step. Run the script. Nice. Welcome to my castle, and that's the castle. Tutorial is complete. Nice. Yay. Echo yay. Yay. Man echo. What if I want to print it multiple times? I could write a for loop. these guys wrote it. Cool. Quit. These changes should have been sent. I hope they were. I can only hope. Nano is done. Nice. Now we will learn Git. Yes. We'll learn Git. Yes. I'll close this. Not you. I think I can close this tab. Now that welcome page will come again. Bye. Learn Git by building an SQL reference object. SQL reference object. Nice. कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया. Okay, while this loads. Oh no, it's in dark mode. No. Oh, it's not in dark mode. That instant ray of sunshine that glanced, that fell upon me was precious. Now we're going to learn SQL, so I'll also open a split terminal for that thing. I'm trying to be, okay. Echo hello git. Hello git. You should be in the project folder. Yep. Use the terminal to make a new directory. So dir SQL reference. As a reminder, you can use the make dir command to make a folder. Yep. Nice. Next, use the change directory cd SQL reference. Git is a version control system to keep track of your code. This folder will be your Git repository. Turn it into one by typing git init. Initiate, initialize. Initialize empty Git repository in home code ally. Okay. So it has been initialized. Use a list command with a flag to list the hidden. Okay. So ls-a. And we can see we have 3 hidden folders. One is I think this is the root, this is the previous folder, and this is git. The git init command created that .git folder for you. Achha, that's a folder because based on the blue color. It's what keeps track of all things in your repository. Use git status, so git status to see the status of where you are. This command will be your best friend. On branch master, no commits yet, nothing to commit. A Git repository has branches to keep track of things you are doing with your code. It's common to have a main branch. Oh, I'm going to let this sink in. A Git repository has branches. Okay, to help keep track of things you're doing with your code, it's common to have a main branch which might be for your production code and other branches for adding new features or fixing bugs. You can create and go to a new branch with git checkout dash b new branch. The B stands for branch. Use that command to switch to a new branch named main. Okay, so we have a branch called master. Now we're going to move to main branch. Oh, this will be very helpful when I'm working on GitHub. Git is a GitHub. Nice. So git checkout dash b, that's the branch flag. That's the flag to create branch. Now we will call it main. Then switch to a new branch main. Nice. Check your status again. Git status. It says on branch main, no commits yet. Cool. Now you are on the main branch. Now before I continue with this project, I'm going to take a short break. When I come back, I will continue working on this code. Yeah. Don't go anywhere. Yo, I'm back. Okay, let's finish this. Okay, now we are in the main branch. Yes, so git commands done. Okay, use the touch command to create a readme.md inside a repository. This is a file you will see in many repos to describe what the repo is for. Yes. Add the text SQL reference at the top of your new file to let people know what the repo is for. We can use nano, echo, whatever. I'll use nano. At the top, right? SQL reference. Of course, I can do this, and or I can open the readme file from here. I'll open it from here, from the terminal itself, so I can practice more nano. Oh, this should be all lowercase, my bad. I can't jump between words. Ouch. Nice. But I can jump between lines somehow. Done. It's saved. Check the status of your repo. So exit nano. You know what? I'll use nano here instead. Fine. Check the status of your repo. So to check status, we write git status. Now no commits yet. Untracked files are here. Yes. Use git add to include in what will be committed. Next, the file you created has not been added to git yet, so it is showing that it is untracked. There's two steps to make git keep track of it for you. First, you need to add it to the staging area like this. Okay, the file you created has not yet. Yep. First, you need to add it to the staging area like this. Okay, git add file name, add your readme, okay, readme.md file. So git add and then the file name, which is readme.md. Done. Added. Check your status again. Git status. Nice. Now your file is in staging and will be added to the next commit. You aren't quite ready to commit this yet though. Use touch again. Touch. So SQL reference.json. Check your status again. Git status. That is also untracked. All you have to do is stay and just bake it. Okay, you now have one file in staging and one file that is untracked. Add the file you created to the staging area. So I'll use this command, git add, just like I did for this. Git add SQL reference.json. Done. Check your status one more time, please. I'm sure this has a meaning. Git status. Now we are still on the main branch. Now we have two files in staging. To commit them, you can use git commit. So git, wait, let's read this, I'll read all of it again. To commit them, you can use git commit m initial commit. The m stands for message. Oftentimes the first commit of a repo will have the message initial commit. Commit your files with the message initial commit. Okay. Git commit m initial lowercase commit. Let's read this again. Oftentimes the first commit of a repo will have the message initial commit. Commit your two files with the message initial commit. Am I to mention the names of the files? No. Okay. Git commit m initial commit NICOMMIT lowercase. Okay. Done. Two files were changed and committed. Next. When you make a commit, whatever is in the staging area will be added to your Git history. You can see some info in the terminal output about the commit. Yes, I can see that. Two files changed, one insertion, create mode, this number, readme.md and SQL reference.json. Okay, check your status again. So git status. Now it says on branch main, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Your working tree is clean, the files were committed and there's no other new changes that Git recognizes. You can see your commit history with git log. Nice. Author is me, of course, and the date is this initial commit. Okay, you can see the commit you made. It shows the message you gave the commit along with your username, email, the date and the commit hash. Yes, I can see that. My username and the author, my email ID, of course, now it's public information. The date is Wednesday, August 16, 2021. So that's the date according to the virtual server when it was published. Okay. The hash is that long string of characters. I think they mean maybe this. Let's read this line again. You gave commit along with your username, email, the date and a commit hash. I don't see a commit hash. The hash is a long string of characters. Open up your .json file. Okay, fine. Okay. So I'll use nano here instead of nano. SQL reference.json. Cool. Now what are we to do? Open up your JSON file and create an object with a reference for how to create a database that looks like this. What are we to do? This is the reference. Okay, make sure there's only one empty line. What am I to do? But open up your JSON file and create an object with a reference for how to create a database. I think we're okay. That looks like this. Make sure there's one empty line at the bottom. I think I'm supposed to write this automatically. I'll copy this line here and I'll paste it to paste in nano. Control U. Thank you. If I use Control U, will it paste? It did not, because it's all inside the nano session. I'll go full screen again. Okay, I'll write it down, not a problem. Okay. So there are two spaces. Data base BASE. You can see the colors appearing. Inside this we write our code. Oh. Do tabs work? Very good. Wait. Create lowercase colon space double quotes uppercase create database lowercase database name semicolon double quotes. Yes. Control O and saved. Good. Run the project please. What am I to do? Let's look at the hint then. Add the suggested object to your sequence reference. Perhaps the spacing is what we need to change. Look out for. Right now, run this please. Okay, what if I exit it? SQL refence .json. Yes, that's the file. Right. Okay, let's maybe look at this then. How many spaces are there? 2 spaces between them. So 1 and 2. DATABASC. Then then colon, then curly brace or curly bracket. Then in the next line we have create. The spacing between the create might be the problem. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yep. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then create CREATE colon, then create database CREATE DATABASC underscore NAME. Okay. Then this spacing is again what? How many? 2 of them? Yeah, 2 spaces. 1, 2. Okay, I think maybe I'll pass the test now. Exit please. ls. Interesting. I know what the problem is. I'm editing the wrong file. My bad guys, my bad. Yeah. This file shouldn't be here. And it crashed. Yes. Now I'll press reset again just to make sure. Cool. Now if I press ls, we'll only have this SQL reference. Very good. So cd SQL refence. Now I think I should use nano. I'll use ls again. ls, yeah, there is SQL reference here. Yes, this is where I'm supposed to add it. Two spaces, then data base. Two spaces, enter again. 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Create. Create database. Name semicolon. Now it should work. Wait, database. Oh, sorry. Done. Now we will pass it. Nice. Check your status again. Sure. Git recognized new unstaged changes to your file. Notice that it says the file is modified instead of untracked because the file has been previously committed. You can see the changes you made with git difference. Take a look at the new changes. Sure. Git diff. I can see that this text was added. So it says diff get SQL reference and A and B. This is what was committed and this is what I changed. This is what the changed file looks like. Now we have dash 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 for A SQL and plus 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 for that. So the pluses mean that this was the file and there is no minus. So that tells me that yeah, we haven't edited anything yet. Cool. The lines with the plus in front means that those lines were added. Yeah. Add your new changes to staging with the git add command again. Make sure to put the file name you want to add to the end at the end of the command. Yes. I think I already have that in my history. Git add SQL reference.json. Done. Check your status. Git status, please. Nice. So now it's unwrapped. Your new changes are staged and ready to be committed. Commit them with the message. So git commit. I'll also refer to the entire command. To commit, what do I do? Commit -m and then the message. Okay. So commit -m and the message is to be feed add create database BAC reference. There should be a space between add. Okay. Git commit m feed add create database reference. Yes. Nicely done. Commit messages often start with fix or feat. Among others, the feat is features. A new feature is added or something is fixed. A bug may have been fixed. Right. Among others, to help people understand what your commit was for, check your git log again to see the new commit added. Nice, it was committed at this point of time. And now it says September 9 somehow. To author this. Now there's 2 commits in your history. The newest one at the top is top in your recent file. Add a drop key to your database object. Okay. Drop key to your database object. Okay, before or after? Give it a value for how to drop a database similar to the create value. The syntax is in the hints. Again, make sure there's an empty line at the bottom of the file and no extra spaces after any values or curly brackets. I think what they mean is here 1, 2, 3 and 4. The key is called drop and we call it drop database name semicolon double quotes. No, I don't pass the test. Yeah, that is what don't forget the comma at the end of the previous line to make it a valid JSON object. Yeah, thank you. Almost forgot. Nice. They literally knew that. Wow. Check your status gladly. Only 12% done. Wow. This is going to be a longer course. Changes not staged. Yeah, this was not staged. Both of them, yeah. I mean, yeah, they're the same file anyway. Changes not staged. Check the diff quick. So, git difference. Now we will see that this is what it looked like previously, and now it has been changed, modified to look this way. You can see a comma was added, so that means it's the plus line. There was no comma here, and plus line, this entire line was added. It should show one line removed and two lines added. Yes, this line was removed. Excuse me. That's okay. Add your changes to the staging area. I've already written that command, so let's add that SQL file and then commit it with the message feature. Add drop database reference. Nice. 2 insertions, 1 deletion. 2 lines were added and 1 line was removed. Deleted. I think you're catching on. Check the log again. Git log. Nice. The user is whoever this is, but no reply github.com. Nice. And now the date is still September 9. Yeah, they're taking random dates, perhaps. There's an interesting stench going on. I'll be right back. What did I just do? Okay. Pass. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, now there's 3 commits. Yep. Yeah. Commit number 1, commit number 2, and commit number 3. You've been making changes to your main branch. You actually want to try and avoid that. Type git branch to see the current branches in your repo. Git branch. Now there are only one branch. There's only one branch. Some asterisk and main. You only have the main branch still. You can create a branch with git branch underscore name. Yeah. Branches often start with fix or feature among others like commit messages, but they use a forward slash and can't contain spaces. Create a new branch named feature add. Okay. So git branch feat add create table reference. Then it was added. Your branch is a clone of the main branch, since that's the branch you were on when you created it. It will have the same code and commit history as main did at the time of the branch creation. View your branches again with git branch. Now we have 2 of them. You can see your new branch, but you are still on the main branch as denoted with the asterisk. Oh, that's the name. Oh, that tells us the current branch we are in. To switch to a branch, use git checkout and we write feat / add create table reference. Now we have switched successfully to this branch called add create table reference. It says you switch to your new branch, type git branch, so you can make sure that switch worked. Yep, it did. Nicely done. Like I said, you often don't want to make commits directly to the main branch of a repo. This branch will be for some new changes. What you will do is make the changes and commits here, then merge them into the main branch when they are ready. Add a reference for creating an SQL table to your JSON file alongside your database property. Make it look like this. I'm going to read that line again. I didn't understand what it said. What you will do is, okay, then merge into main version. Add a reference, okay, for creating an SQL table add a reference for creating alongside your database. Make it look like this. I am not sure I understand. I'm going to get a hint. Yeah, that's okay. Add a reference for creating an SQL table to your JSON file. This is the JSON file, okay, to your JSON file alongside your database property. And a reference alongside, so I think I'm supposed to create another object inside this object. Make sure to add commas, the table key. Yep, that's correct. Okay, makes sense. I'm not going to go further. A comma here, enter 1 and 2. It's supposed to be called table. So that's what I'm doing right now. Table name. I'm trying to concentrate to this thing. Maybe I can add another line. Taking away the moments that make up the dull day. Fidget away the hours in an offhand way. Kicking around on the bus. I'm going to play that song again. You guys don't know what I'm talking about, do you? Let's read this line again. Maybe this extra line is what's causing it. Yep, that extra line is what was causing the problem. Show me the status again. Nice. Changes not staged. What? Git difference. Oh, my bad. Diff. You made new changes, so the file shows up as not staged. Yep, it does. Add the file to staging so you can commit the changes. Git add SQL reference .sql. I need a hint. Git add. You previously used admin to add changes to staging. SQL reference dot. Oh, this is, oh, my bad. JSON. What time is it? 4 बज गए. Wow. The changes are now in staging. Commit. So git commit -m. The message is to be feet lowercase. Add create reference. Raising around to come up behind you again. Nice. I love singing that song. Check your git log again. Nice. I did. Nice. Now you have 4 commits. Yep, I do. They're getting a little hard to see. Check the log again, but this time use the one line flag. Wait, I made a mistake. Nice. First was the initial commit, then the add create database reference, then add drop database reference, and then a feature was added. Feature add create database. Nice. That's better. Use git checkout. So git checkout main. Nice. Switch to main. You may have noticed that the code you added disappeared from the JSON file. What? I think I missed a step. The changes were added on feet, so they don't exist. Check the log of the main branch. Use one line flag again. Yep, I don't see that 4th commit. Yep, you can see 3 commits on this branch and 4 on the feature branch you were just on. The commit and code you added to the feature branch only exists. Oh wait, it's plural. The commit and code only exists over there for now. View the branches. You have to remind me the name of your other branch. Git branch. Nice. You created the feet add create table reference branch, made a commit, and now it's ready to be added to the main branch. You can see you can use git merge to bring changes from a branch into the branch you're currently on. Okay, so git merge called feature / add create table reference. Close to death. Every year is getting shorter. Never seem to find the time. That's all we reach out on. Hanging on in quiet desperation is the English way. Time is up, the song is over. So that's something more to say. The commits and code from your feature branch were added to this branch. Yep, there's a message with some info about the merge. Yes, updating fast forward. Yeah, check the log with one line flag again. Yep, now we have the 4 references. The feet add commit you made on your feature branch was added to this branch with the merge. You can delete a branch with git branch -d. -d stands for delete. Since your changes were added, you can safely delete your feature branch. Do that now. Feature add create table reference. It was deleted. I need some coffee, it seems. Give me a few seconds, please. hope there's enough water for this. Water left for this. There's not enough. I'm almost out of water, it seems. Fatigue is building. I'll be ready to go and kick some butt in no time. Okay, it said it was deleted, but view your branches again for me to verify that it's gone. Gladly, anything for you, my friend. Nice. There's not enough water for this. Soon I'll need to fetch more water. We'll do that momentarily, don't worry. I found you. We're just left with the main branch. Want to try it again? Yeah. Yes, I want to try it again. Last time we created a branch and then switched to it. You can do both at the same time with get checkout branch name. Wow! Create and switch to a branch, new branch name, feed, add it, drop table reference. Gladly. Nice. Git checkout, feed, add drop table reference. No mistakes here. Done. Switched and created at the same time. Nice. Add a drop key to the table object of here. So now we add another key here at the end, comma, enter 1, 2, 3 and 4 spaces. We call it the drop key. I think, yeah, I know what to do. Drop table semicolon. It should work now. I'll save this. File on disk has changed. That means my files would. Oh no! Cancel. I have to exit this. No. Yeah, this file doesn't exist anymore. Interesting. That means this file exists. What? I'm going to reset to make sure of everything. ls please. Very good. Now I'll open it with nano again. SQL reference.json. Drop key was to be added here. Add a drop key to the table object. So this is the table object. We add another key here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. crop, drop table and the table name, semicolon, double quotes. Nice, it worked. Check your status here. I'll have to take a short break. I'll be back. Yes, I'm back. Let's get it. Nice. This is what I finished the last time. Check the diff. Add changes to your staging. So git add SQL reference dot JSON. Done. Commit your stage changes. So git commit dash. What was the dash? Git merge branch. I forgot the flag. I can find out. Commit space. Commit him. Thank you. Commit him. And the message will be feature add drop table reference. Done. Nice. Done and nicely done at the same time. Okay. Switch back to your main branch. So git checkout main. Remember that the code and commit you added aren't on this branch, so they disappeared again. View the branches. So git branch. On your repos you can get the name of it to merge your feature into this branch. Clever. Merge your features. So to merge I'll need a hint. I forgot what that is. So git merge. Okay, so that's what you use. Git merge feed drop. Add drop table reference. Done. The commit from your feature branch was added to the main branch, so we can safely delete the feature branch. Delete your feature branch. I need a hint for that too. Git branch, yes. Delete flag. So I'll edit this branch name. So instead of merge, we'll call the branch, use the branch keyword and -d. So git branch d. So delete this branch. Done. It was deleted. Nice. We're getting the hang of it. Indeed we are. Okay. The process is to create a branch, make the changes you want, commit them, and then merge the changes into branch you started on. Pretty simple. Let's keep going. Create and check out a new branch named feet. Add column references. Cool. So git branch feet add column FEINCES. Now I'll get a hint to check whether we need a flag or not. Checkout B, yes. So -b is how we do it. Nice. I made a mistake. It's not supposed to be branch, it's supposed to be checkout. Checkout. Okay, very good. Now we're logged in. I think we've switched to the new branch. This branch will be a work in progress. Add a column key to your JSON script. I'll exit this JSON file and open it again just to ensure. Okay. Add a column key to your JSON object. Comma. Enter 1, 2. Yep. Column key. One, two, 3, and 4. What is it? Make it an object like the other two I did. Give it a single property. Add that has the value this. What is the value? Alter table name. Add column column name, semicolon and double quotes. That should do it. Column, add alter table, table name, add column, column name. Yep, no spelling errors. Wait, there's no need for that. Save this file and go to the next level. View the diff. Sure. So git diff. Nice. That line was added. 3 lines were added, as you can see here. Add your changes to staging. Here's a tip: you can use git add dot to add all files to staging. Very good. Git add dot. Done. They were added. Commit. So git commit -m, and in double quotes I write feat add column reference. Done. The changes were made. View your log with the one line flag. Very good. Git log one line. Nice. You can see that change here. The commit was added. I see an error in the syntax of one of the commands. Which one? You want to fix it. Where? But this branch is not for fixing it. Switch back to your main branch. I don't know what the error is. You want to fix it, but this branch is not for fixing it. Switch back to your main branch. Okay, git branch main. No, this is to, I think we need to switch over. What was it? Crossover checkout. Yeah, checkout main. Now we've switched to the main branch. Remember that when you create a branch, it will be a clone of whatever branch you are on when you create it. That's why you switch to main first, create, and switch to a branch named fix. Create table syntax. Git branch -b. Oh no, checkout -b, and then the branch name fix / create table syntax ax. Yep, done. So we created it and it switched to it. Nice. Done. Okay. Wow. Let's go through this. I think I'll finish almost. I think I'll try and finish up to 35-40%, and then I'll end the live. Yeah, I need some rest as well. Some fatigue is building. Okay, the create table command is a function. Yeah, so it needs a parenthesis at the end. Exactly, that's what I was thinking the whole time. Of course. So we go here, I'll exit this and I'll open it again to be sure. I knew why they weren't addressing this, and I know why I didn't address this. To the end of the command. Yeah. Save. Done. You only add the parentheses when you're creating a table, not when you are deleting one or dropping one, for that matter. Check your status and diff to see any changes. Git status and git diff. Then add your files to staging. So git add dot. Nice. Commit your changes with the message. Yeah, okay, so git commit dash n code fix create table syntax. Done. Switch back to your main. Okay, I keep forgetting that word. What is it? Checkout. Yeah, it's checkout. So git checkout main. View your branches. Nice. We have 3 branches now. Merge your bug fix branch into this one. Git merge fix branch. So fix slash create table syntax. I stopped there because of the line break. Done. Next, view your log. So git log one line. Nice. The bug fix is in and you can safely delete that branch. Go ahead and delete that branch. Git branch delete. I think they want me to delete the fix branch. Fix, what was it? Fix create table syntax. Done. It was deleted. Your bug fix is merged into the main branch. Yep. Switch back to your feature branch. Okay. Git checkout feet slash add column references. Done. Now we switch to that branch. View your log. Git log one line. Oh, mistake. ONELINE. You created this branch and made a commit. Since then, a commit for a bug fix was added to main. The table has been skewed a little bit. Fresh AF. I'll be right back. A little bit of morning snack. Okay, you created this branch and made a commit. Yep. Since then, a commit for a bug fix was added to main. This is common with many people working on a code base simultaneously. You need to update this branch so it has the same commits from main, but you can't just merge that branch into this one. You need that bug fix commit to be in the same order here as it is on main, right after the drop table commit. You need to rebase this branch against main to do that. So git rebase main. Nice. How much are we done? 33. I'll finish at 35 and then end the live. Next, there was some fancy output there. Yep. Resolve all conflicts. Oh, that's a lot. Wait. Oh, it started here. Okay, let's try and read this. First, rewinding head to replay your work on top of it. Applying add. Okay. Oh, that's a lot. Maybe not. Yep. But you can see the parenthesis from the bug fix. Where? Here? Head was his feet. You can see the parenthesis from the bug fix commit. You were added. A commit were added to the table.create value. Show me the login with the same flag you have been using so far, so you can see what happened. So you can see what happened. Git log one line. The logs show that the bug fix commit from main was added. Yep, it was. And then the commit from this branch was added on top of it. Now when this branch is ready to be merged into main, it will have the same commit history. You should try to keep your branches up to date like this by rebasing them often. In your JSON file, add a drop key to the column object with a reference for dropping a column. What? In the JSON file? I've already added. Wait, oh. To exit this. I'll open the file. Yeah, that's better. Come on, enter. 4 spaces is that's not okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. We want drop. Alter table. No, I can't delete that. Escape. Alter table. Wait, I'm supposed to drop table. My bad. What? No. Add a drop key to column object with a reference for dropping a column. Yeah. So I will alter the key and then drop the column. Alter table name drop column name semicolon double quotes enter. Save this code. We do not pass. My bad. Alter table name drop column name. Yeah. I did add the semicolon. I also added the comma. Here's the syntax. Alter table name drop column name. Exactly. drop drop key to the column object. I did add that to the column object with a reference for dropping a column. The syntax is in the hints give it a try first. Yeah, this is correct. Am I supposed to? Nope. Okay. Make sure the above value is in the column.drop key. Column.drop is the reference. Here's what it should look like. Okay, drop, then semicolon, then colon, then ALTER, TABLE, name E, NAME, DROPCOLUMN name. Oh, there's a missing underscore. I get it. Right over this. Nice. We pass. Very good music. Always. Sanctuary. I like Sanctuary. Check your status. I think 35% is done, but I'll finish this and then check the status and then end it. Check your status and difference. Get status, get diff. Wait, पढ़ने तो दे रुक. Add your changes to staging. I haven't added them yet. Dot. Yeah. Now I can press next. Commit your changes. Git commit -m. The message is to be feature add drop column reference REFERENCE. Feed add drop column reference REFERE. Done. 35% done. View your log again. Git log one line. As soon as I finish 35%, yeah. Switch to your main branch. So git what is it? Checkout main. Next, create and switch to a new branch named git checkout -b. Feature, new feature to then add insert row reference. Done. 36% done. Yeah, now I'm going to end this live right now. I'll see you guys back again tomorrow. Well, today really, and I hope you guys join me in my adventures and my learnings and experiences. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Today I am repeating myself now, aren't I? So I'll end this live now. See you guys. Ciao. Jai Shri Krishna. Bye bye. Chalo.